Actually, Siddiq, for Siddiq, BC is not working, of course, because we are installing minimal. The minimal things won't work properly sometimes, not work properly. So, for example, when you put a command, for example, you put a head command, or maybe you put a echo command. Okay, so what happens? It will throw a message like we didn't find the command type. Okay, so you didn't find the command. So why it is showing like that? Because of for every command, is there, right? Yeah. For every command in a background, there is a uh, um, application. Okay, so application has to be installed. Okay, so the command runs based on application. Sometimes this BC is nothing but a application and as well as command only. Okay, the command and application both are same only. Now here in this one, sometimes for you have to install some application, then only the relevant commands will work. The relevant commands will work. For example, you want to type Python command. The Python application should be installed, otherwise it won't work. Okay, like that. So you have to do it. So that's why when you type BC, automatically it is showing like it is not working. Okay, it is showing like it is not working. See, like this AP command. So like it will shows it is not working. So what you have to do it? What you have to do it? You are in a student. You must go to root. So in one of my window, I already log in with the root. Okay. So I am in the root. Okay, I'm not showing how to switch the root. So I use a student command here. I use a student account here. I'm using root. So I log in as a root only. Okay, now these commands do it. I will explain it if possible. I will explain what is that m command and all. Not if possible, I will show you later. So once we go through these basic commands and all, but we whenever the issue is occurs, the relevant application we should know it and we have to install it. So yum rep sorry first command is rem clean all. Better always first is yum clean all. Next command is yum repolist. Next command is yum repolist. Enter. Now it is searching for a repo. I will show you what is the repo kind of stuff. So let it download the repo list. So first command I use yum clean space all. Yum space clean space all. Next command I used yum repo list. Okay, so yum repo list. Next command I'm using yum info bc. Yum info bc. It will try to check anything with a bc name is there. Okay, so because I know what is the package, it's an installed package. It is already installed. It is already installed in my PC. Okay, so whether it is installed or not, we will get it and other details about that one. M info BC. If in case it is showing not installed, if it is showing it is not installed, it shows available. Example, I will show you 80. 80 is a package and 80 is a command. Info 80. Yum info 80. You can see it is available package. Available package. If it is showing available package means you can able to download. You can able to download and install into the PC directly. Available package 80 architecture and version. Now yum install your package name BC general BC. yum install bc. Of course, it won't get installed. It won't get installed. Okay, because it is already installed in my PC. Yum install bc. Okay. For example, you want to install it. Okay, so what to do? Yum install. Just for example, I'm using 80. You can use hyphen y also. You can use with hyphen y also. Currently, I'm not using. Just yum install 80. I'm trying to show you how to install. That's why you have to press Y and enter. Press Y and enter. Okay. I'm not going. Automatically, it will install. If you got any issues that time, we can tell you. So you have to press Y and enter. Okay. It automatically install. If you want to verify, try BC again, working or not, or you can use minfo BC. Okay, so this is how we can able to install an application. So here I try to show you that one 80. So you can use y, means it won't ask you yes or no. If you use y, minus y, it won't ask you yes or nothing. Directly it will install. Okay, that's it. We can use a command yum install bc space hyphen y or hyphen y space bc also you can able to use. Okay, so this is it. This is about the command and installation things. Next, you must do these things in a root only. So you must do these things in a root user manner only. Guys, I'm in a here student. Again, back to the student. We'll see how to read the files and how to create a file and how to add a file kind of stuff also we can see. ls oh why it is 20. I created some file name is 20, I think so. What is cat 20? And I don't know. Okay, it is not showing any files in the current directory. In current directory, it is not showing any files except 20. Cat is a command to read the file. Okay, so you can use ls space hyphen l to determine it is a what it is. Okay, so we'll see that one. Okay, so ls is a command to see what is the file current. Okay, currently for practice cat more like that commands. Okay, I want to use a file called etc.passwd. Passwd is a file and etc is a directory. So cat slash cat space slash etc slash passwd. This is the data. So here I given a command and it is displaying output like this. Okay, this is the file and the file content of this one is like this. Okay, so sometimes file can be very bigger one. Okay, file can be very big one. So what to do? Use less slash etc slash passwd. Can you see now? You can look at the file by going up and down also, but it is showing very small. So I am going to decrease my screen to see it proper way. Press Q. So I'm going to clear the screen. this is required. Okay, I'm putting the screen like this. So less first cat slash etc slash passwd. So I can able to see the bottom of the part only. I have to scroll up and scroll down to see from the starting. Okay, this is a limited lines. What if 1,000 lines are there, 2,000 lines are there, 200 lines are there? We can't able to see like that, right? So I want to go with line by line or like that. Less slash etc slash passwd. So see here it is. It is starting is a root. I'm pressing enter. Then you can see line by line it is going up. So I can read line by line and find out what it is. And also I can go up arrow, down arrow. So that is also possible. Okay, up and down possible. I can go to the top and as well as I can go to the down also. Okay, it won't quit even if you reach the bottom. It won't quit from here. It reach the bottom. That's it. Okay, just for example, for practicing one. So I'm using this one. Okay, like this. Next, I want to search something. So instead of taking one by one file, I know what is the text name. What is the text name? For example, slash students. So see, students got highlighted. Okay, I want to search something like mm, bin. Bin is there in for so many people. Like bin bash. Bash is bin bash. Only root, and going to the next. Last one is also bin bash. Okay, it is highlighting that word postfix, right? Okay, slash postfix. Okay, that is a postfix, right? You can search for the text also. So how to go out? Press Q. Again, I'm going to the less only. Again, I will see less file name slash etc passwd. Just for example, I'm showing that file only. So you can read it from top to bottom, line by line, page by page also. Per page, it's a space bar per page. Up arrow, down arrow also will work. And also we can search for the pattern also, like this. Student I search. And how to come out? Press Q. So this is one way, another way to read the file. Next is more slash gcc slash passwd. Okay, so next is a more. In a more, you can read it from top to bottom, but you cannot come back from the bottom to top. Like I'm pressing enter button, so I can go down, but I cannot go up. Up is not there. Okay, and once you reach the down, I'm going to down, enter, 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 enter. Finally, I reach the last of the line. Automatically, it exit from here. So it automatically you got your terminal back. Okay, so that is thing and more. And one more is there. Like I want to search for something. Postfix. See, it is skipping the current line and directly go to where is the postfix. So it is showing like that, and it is exit from there. So you can't search it again. You can't search it again. Again you have to go. Again more. Again you have to do it. Okay, so this is the thing. You can press Q to quit from there also. This is less and more. Okay, so here I am putting a command is how to read a file using cat command, and I am using an example command is passwd file, and also I showed how to use a less command and read the file. More also, more command as a more command used for, actually more is a more having a less options and less has a more options. More has a less usefulness and less has a more usefulness. Like that. Cat less more. Okay. And one more is there. I will show you that one. Okay. CAD slash etc slash passwd. Head is a command to see first 10 lines. Head is a command. If you want to see the first 10 lines, you can use the head command. Tail command slash etc slash passwd. Tail command display last 10 lines. By default, head slash etc slash passwd. By default, by default, it displays first 10 lines only. Okay. Tail slash etc slash passwd. Passwd is a file. So head command I'm taking. By default, it display last 10 lines. The file are in the input. Okay. So here again I'm going to head slash etc slash passwd. If you press enter, you can see the first 10 lines only. For example, I want to see first 3 lines only. Hyphen 3. First 3 lines. Hyphen 3. First 5 lines. Hyphen 5. First 15 lines. Hyphen 15. Okay. So like that, you can choose how many lines you want to get display on the screen. Okay. First 3 lines. What is the meaning? First 3 lines. First 5 lines. By default, it is a 10. Okay. By default, it is a 10 lines. Okay. And you can modify how many lines you want it. Guys, compulsory practice these things. Plus tomorrow or any exercise, I will keep on asking. Okay. Next, tile version. Same thing with the tail. Clear. Tail it shows first 10 lines in the file. First 10 lines in the file. First 10 lines it is displaying by default. If I am using -3 means last 3 lines. If I am using 6 last 6 lines. If I am using 16 means last 16 lines it is displaying. Okay, so you have to specify how many lines you want to see in last lines or first lines, depends upon you. Any number you can give based on your requirement. So what are we done in a practical way, that's only I'm writing here. Okay, so this is a, of course there is a few more things are there. So we'll go by one. Okay. Some more filtering parts also there. We'll go one by one. Here. Next, pipe command and T command. Okay, so this is WC command, word count. We'll see these three things, how it is works also. Okay, so I think everybody is installed and some issue is there, Putty. Okay, so I will solve that one anyway. Complete this practical today. Tomorrow, you should tell answers. Okay, WC, word count. What is WC? Word count. You can see man WC. Print new line, word and byte count for each file. Okay, so word count in the file. Just for practice only, I'm using that file. Okay, so word count. So it meaning of this one is it contains 20 lines, 28 words, 890, 898 byte data is there. Actually, say 898 characters are there. So there is a certain options hyphen L. So if you want to view only number of lines only, if you want to view number of words only, okay, number of words, not words, number of words only. 28 words are there in the total file. Number of bytes or a number of characters is how many are there, you can get it. Okay, so what is the WC word count? What is WC word count? So when you practice also, you have to speak outside. If you speak outside, then you will remember more. Hyphen L, hyphen W, C. So one more option is there. These are three are a common options in generally. Like you want to understand what is this C means. You can use for options help also. It's very simple. C means bytes. Print the byte count. M means characters. L means lines. Words. Guest length. Okay. It is not giving that option anyway. So it's like a character length. Number of characters. So this is a WC word count. Next one is a pipe, guys. Where is this pipe is located? I will show you. So you know the enter button. Okay, above the enter button, you can see this one slash. This slash. Okay, so forward slash or backward slash, whatever you feel it. It's a forward slash only, I think. Shift. Press the shift and press the slash button. You'll get a pipe. This is the pipe. Okay, so we'll see the what is the use of this pipe. So I'm going to add -3 slash etc slash passwd. I got a first three lines only. I got a first three lines only, right? Now I want to count it. W3 I hyphen L 3. What is 3 output here? What is this pipe? Output of the first command is input to the second command. So we need an argument, right? So we need a some input thing to do it. Like put W3 hyphen L. Nothing is happening here. No output. Control C. Control C to come out from it. Okay. So I didn't give in any input. So what it will count? what it will count, how it will count the number of lines? It cannot, right? So here in the first command I got a 3 lines, and this command counting these lines, first line, second line, third line, like that. For example, within these 3 lines I want to count how many number of words are there. That is also showing 3. Yeah, no spaces means it's considered that one as a one words only, each line has a words only. Okay, 105 bytes of data is there. Okay, so this is about pipe. What is a pipe? First command output is give it to the second command. Okay, we'll see tail 10, not required, tail slash etc pipe wc hyphen l. See, 10 only. By default, tail is display last 10 lines. It is counting last 10 lines, means one line, second line, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 10 lines are there. Okay, so if you want to see the output, actually the 10 lines, these are the 10 lines, and I put a pipe and wc, it is displaying 10 number. It means number of lines is 10. L means number of lines are 10. That's it. Okay, next, t command. What is this t command? T command, whatever the output generated by the first command, it is redirected to the second command, right, with the pipe. But what this t will do, whatever the input you are giving, it take the input, put it into a file, simple file. I put a tf1 file name. Okay, file name is tf1 file. So whatever the these 10 lines, whatever these 10 lines displaying on the screen, these 10 lines is going to this file. That is the, these 10 lines are output of this command, and input to this one means what t will do, it put it into this file. It is display some data, but also check it, tf1 is also showing. So I'm using cat command to read it, cat tf1. So see, same data is there in a both. Like if you give this command, means what is the output of this data, the data is stored into this file. That's why we are using t command. I can use one easy command is history. Don't type commands blindly. Just do it and observe. If you don't observe what happening, you don't understand. You never understand what it is. Yeah, this is a repeated command. So that is a T and WC. Okay, these are all reading and commands, filtering commands also there. There is important command called a grep is also there, but I want to show you paste, no paste. Paste, translate, we have a commands like a paste, here translate, okay, sort, cut, paste, translate, sort, cut is there. Next is important command is grep. Next command is grep. Oops. Tomorrow we'll see the these commands and other things also. Tomorrow morning also full commands. Today guys, will give you theory part. Study theory. What I told theory. Study Linux theory part. So like what is Linux? Features of Linux. What is kernel? What is shell? Okay, different type of shells. What kernel will do it? What is kernel version and how to see the kernel version? Okay, and then what are the commands we done? So practice all the commands. So I'm stopping now. Is anybody having a doubts? Also, I will clear the doubts. Okay, Siddiq got a BC command, so he's also enjoying that one.